make an effort to be ambitious, assiduous and adaptable. Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel in the English week. Let's make an effort to be ambitious, assiduous and adaptable. Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel in the English week. Hi, Nashville.
Hi, Mr. Tom. How do you pronounce these two words?
Well, let me see. Are they nouns or verbs? Because they have different pronunciations.
How's that so?
By pronunciations, I mean the stress is put on different syllables. Take progress as an example. If it is a noun, it's progress. If it's a verb, we put the stress on the second syllable. So it's become progress.
Oh, I see. So how about EXCEL?
It's a verb, it's excel.
Oh, got it. So every student is able to learn, progress, and excel, right?
Right. Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel. You have nailed it.
Desert, dessert, digest, digest, object, object, produce, produce, project, project, subject, subject.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Everyone 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 is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel.
Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel. Everyone is able to learn, progress, and excel. Every student is able to learn, progress, and excel. Hi, Matthew.
Hi, Mr. Tom.
Every student is able to progress and excel.